कुठे आहे म्हणजे
काय कुठून आले कुठे
बाहेर
तिकीट कुठे
So if you want to see the part, if you directly want to see the part where I try to sneak into the stadium, you can skip till here. But personally, I'll prefer you to watch the whole video because there is a backstory behind this video, and personally, I'll prefer you to watch the whole video because there is a backstory behind this video, why I'm making this video and why did I sneak into the stadium and onto the pitch. So yeah, I'll advise you to watch the whole video. The game has just ended and we will wait for the floodlights to turn off and then we'll try to sneak in the stadium when I guess there would be no security. I'm not sure, let's see.
What is this?
It's recording, it's action camera.
Hello.
Just turn around. Yeah. Ian, you.
Yes, it's me, and I can see you're recording. So here, I'll give you back. Enjoy.
Thanks, man. Lucian! So we are waiting for the floodlights to turn off and then we'll try to sneak inside because under workers hai abhi bhi, they're cleaning everything or they are also removing the banners and stuff, so maybe they won't allow us to get in. So once the floodlights switches off, we'll try to get inside. I absolutely love your goal, the one which you scored for Delhi Dynamos. Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, sir.
I just wanted to ask you a few questions.
But don't ask any questions.
I'll hold on. Rapid fire. Nothing? Just I'll give you two options and you have to choose one. Ronaldo or Messi? Ronaldo. Why?
Because
He's a complete player, I guess. Exactly.
Yeah, exactly.
And Barcelona or Real Madrid? Who will win tonight?
Real Madrid.
Real Madrid?
Yeah.
You're a Madrid fan?
Yeah, Madrid.
Manchester United or Liverpool?
Then you.
Mumbai or Delhi?
Mumbai.
Because you're playing for Mumbai right now, that's
Yeah, that's right.
Sehnath Singh. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
Thank you, sir.
And I'm not sure if we can sneak in because there are many security guards over here. And the gates from which the people enter into the stadium are also closed. Let's see. लॉकर रूम मध्ये फोटो काढू शकता? लॉकर रूम मध्ये
लवकर कुठे
फोटो काढू शकता का locker?
इथे नाही इथे बाहेर काय
इथं बाहेर
तिथे
जाऊ ना.
कुठं आले
कुठे आहे म्हणजे
काय कुठून आले कुठे
बाहेर
तिकीट कुठे
झाला ना मॅच. VVIP मध्ये बसलो होतो. आला
पिच पे जाना
So we are pretending like ऐसे दिखा के मत निकाल रहा है.
पिच पे जाना
बढ़िया ना आवाज. तो अभी तक किसी ने कुछ बोला तो नहीं है. I'm little concerned to go on the pitch or not. Let's go, man. YOLO. I didn't expected it would be so easy to get on the field, but apparently we are on the field. So it's been like 5 minutes. We are still on the field and no one has told us anything. I guess security guards ही नहीं यहाँ पे. There are just people who are cleaning the ground and removing the billboards. The floodlights. Out of the 4 floodlights, 3 are off and 1 is still on. इसके लिए इतना अच्छा bright face दिख रहा है, नहीं तो ये भी नहीं दिखता था. It's like we rule this place. I can smell the grass. You can smell the grass? I can smell the grass. Yeah. बहुत छोटा है, दिख रहा से छोटा है. So I wanted a picture like Iniesta, the way he clicked the picture when he played his last home game in Camp Nou, sitting in the middle of the field and with no crowd, nothing, and just Iniesta in the stadium. And the reason why I sneaked into the stadium and came onto the pitch is that this is the last season where FC Pune City will be playing in the Indian Super League. This was the last match and last season of FC Pune City, and so I've supported FC Pune City right from the start when the season started back in 2014, and I was a huge FC Pune City fan. This pitch, you can see, this pitch has been graced by some legendary footballers such as David Trezeguet, Alexandro Del Piero, Nicolas Anelka, Robert Pires, David James, and even Roberto Carlos coached the team from the sidelines. So this is like a legendary pitch, and I'm happy to be here and touch the pitch. It's very sad to see the state of Indian football and Pune football, where a club has to be, taken out from the league because of financial problems. Pune has seen this thing for quite a while now. First, Pune FC went down, then DSK Shivajians, Bharat FC, and now it's FC Pune City. It's like very sad state for Pune football in particular, and also Indian football. Let's just live the moment as of now, because this thing may not come back. This is it, man. This is it. FC Pune City, 5 long years. And this is not a rumor. I guess the club will eventually go down because of the financial problems, and it's really sad. It's really sad for all the Punekars who have supported Pune from last 5 years, and also the Orange Army. I am a part of Orange Army. We traveled to Mumbai, Goa, Bangalore, wherever the team played. If possible, we went over there, supported them. And this will be the end, I guess, of FC Pune City. The sources suggest that. Let's see. I hope the club doesn't dissolve. I can literally hear the echo of people shouting right now. If I close my eyes, I can hear the people shout. That's the level of attachment I have with the club. And many people like me, even Hari. Can I talk to you for a while?
For what?
Are you from Pune?
Nah,
I'm not from Pune.
I'm working with the club.
Yo, FCPC. I've heard that the club is going to get shut. Is it true?
We have no clue about it.
No clue?
You're still not getting a clue about it.
You're not sure?
No.
Because there are many fans like me, like him, and of course the Orange Army. They're like very desperate and hoping that the club doesn't go down.
We have no clue
Because it has happened previously also with Pune FC, Bharat FC, DSK, and now FC Pune.
See, we haven't got any clarity from the management, so we have no idea what's happening.
I hope
What
it
are the
doesn't
future
go.
plans? No one knows about it.
You're from
I'm from Mumbai.
Mumbai. We beat you by the way. Nice to meet you. So I don't know if you can see me or not. As I was talking to the guy, the floodlights just went off. Thank God we came before the floodlight went off. क्योंकि फोटो नहीं आता था, सी कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा है. अच्छा हुआ ना पहला है.
बहुत अच्छा हो. हम लोग तो देख रहे हैं क्या? ये तो दिखता होगा.
Actually we were not sure that अंदर आ सकते हैं या नहीं. And we were waiting कि floodlights off होंगे तब आएंगे. But अच्छा हुआ कि आ गए. So we are finally out of the stadium, of the pitch, and I didn't expect कि we can sneak in because जब मैच चालू रहती है तभी बहुत सारे बॉडीगार्ड्स रहते हैं, security people are there. So I was concerned about this, but we made it happen. किया.